Good morning. Myself, Dr. N.B. Armunte. Today, we are going to study life cycle of Agaricus. Agaricus is a fungi. In the life cycle of Agaricus, points are classification or systematic position, then occurrence, then thallus structure, and last the reproduction. First point, that is the systematic position or the classification. You know that Agaricus, it is included in fungi. So classification is division Eumycophyta, then class Basidiomycete, subclass Hemibasidiomycete, series Hymenomycetes, order Agaricales, family Agaricaceae, genus Agaricus, and species Biosporus. This is the classification or the systematic position or the taxonomic position of the Agaricus. Division Eumycophyta, class Basidiomycete, subclass Homobasidiomycete, series Hymenomycetes, order Agaricales, family Agaricaceae, genus Agaricus, and species Biosporus. The next point, that is the occurrence. Agaricus, it is a common saprophytic field mushroom. It grows in soil, rich humus, grassland, open field, moist and shady condition during the rainy season, damp, rotten logs of the woods. This is the occurrence. Simply, Agaricus, it is a saprophytic fungi, so it is found on the humus containing soil, humus rich soil on the grassland, open field. It is found especially moist and shady places and especially in rainy season. This is the occurrence. Then the next point, that is the thallus structure. The thallus structure of the Agaricus, it looks like the umbrella-like shape mushroom. The plant body consists of two parts, that is the vegetative mycelium, which is hidden within the soil, and the fructification or the sporophore, which is aerial and it bears spores. Here, plant body is made of a mycelium. You know that in fungi, plant body is made of mycelium, and mycelium is a group of hypha. Mycelium is a group of hypha, and hypha is a thread-like structure. Here in Agaricus, mycelium is, there are two types of mycelium, that is the primary mycelium and the secondary mycelium. Primary mycelium, they are haploid, formed from the haploid basidiospores, they are uninucleate. While secondary mycelium, they are formed from positive and the negative hypha. Then there is formation of the sporophyte or the fruiting body, mature sporophore. The internal structure of the mature sporophore, they consist of a gills, trama, subhymenium, hymenium. The structure of the basidospores, they are pink, purple, or small or rounded shape. This is the thallus structure of the Agaricus. Then the last point, that is the reproduction. In Agaricus, reproduction is vegetative. Here, vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation. In fragmentation, what happens? That thallus or that mycelium hyphae, it breaks into a small pieces or into small fragments. Then each piece or each fragments, they gives rise to a new individual. Then second is the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place by spores, chlamydospores. These chlamydospores, they are formed on the hyphae, and each chlamydospores, they gives rise to a new individual. Then last, sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is somatogamy. There is two types of hyphae, that is the positive hyphae and negative hyphae. These two hyphae, they comes together. Firstly, there is a plasmogamy, then karyogamy. In plasmogamy, what happens? There is the fusion of the cytoplasm, and in karyogamy, there is the fusion of the nucleus, and there is formation of zygote. Then in that zygote, meiosis takes place and forms a new individual. In this way, this is the reproduction. In this way, we study the life cycle of the agaricus, in which systematic position, then occurrence, then thallus structure, and then reproduction. These are the points in the life cycle of the agaricus. Okay, thank you.